What is Google Form? What is the operation of Google Form? How to create Google Form? Dear viewers, welcome to my channel Sajjad Tech 360. Today I am going to discuss about Google Form and I will show how to create Google Form. So let me tell you first, to get technology related new video tutorial, those are new visitors of my channel, please subscribe my channel and click to bell icon. So let's start after the intro. Google Form is the most important app of Google Drive. We can using it for collecting contact information. We can create party invitation form, order form, event registration form. Also we can create job application form, quiz form, assessment form, and we can also create worksheet and evaluation form. You can take exam from your home. Many institutions using it for take examination. So let's see how to create Google Form. First time you will open a web browser. Then click URL box and type in drive.google.com. Or you can going to Google Drive from your Gmail account. Click this icon and click Drive. Then click plus new icon. Click more. Click Google Form. Now I got Google Form. Then rename your form headline which is used for that. Now I want to creating from purpose of blood donation for as an example. So rename the headline which is used for that. Now I am giving name of the form, interested of blood donor information. Click the headline and type in interested of blood donor information. Okay, the name is completed. Now I can give a small description or slogan like donate blood and save life. Donate blood and save life. Okay, completed my description. Now you can setting themes of the form. Click customize theme. Then you can choose color of the form. I can select blue, red, orange, red. I'm selecting red color. Then you can choose image, header of the form. Then you can choose background color, light, medium, dark. I'm selecting medium. Then you can select font style, basic, decoration, formal, playful. I'm select basic. Now I am selecting a cover photo of the form. Click choose image. Many cover photo and many themes suggest from Google Form. You can choose anyone or upload a new photo from your device. I'm selecting a new photo from my drive. Click browse. Click desktop. Drive picture, blood donation picture, open. Then click done. My cover photo set up in here. Look at that. If you want to make first question of the form, click option 1 and typing your question. First question will be name. Some option inside of the question. If you get answer according of short answer, paragraph or multiple choice, you can select one. Short answer. If you want must will be filled up of the question, click required. If anyone no filled up the answer, he or she will not submit it of the form. Now if you want add more question, click plus symbol. Similarly, typing question. The question is blood group. The question will be multiple choice like A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative. So I am selecting multiple choice. Now I am typing multiple choice. Click A positive, A negative, add option, B positive, add option, B negative, add option, AB positive, add option, AB negative, and add option, O positive, add option, O negative. Okay, completed my blood group multiple choice. Now click required. Must it will be filled up. Now I will take one question option. Add question. It will be address. This question answer will be short answer. Click required. And now I will take one question option. Add question. It will be mobile number. Click required. Now I will take one question option. Add question. It will be occupation. The question will be multiple choice. Option 1, student. Add other, service. Add option, businessman. Add option, others. Okay, complete my occupation question. Now I will take one question option. Add question. It will be age. This question also will be multiple choice. Click multiple choice. Option 1, age from 21 to 25 years. Add other, Add option from 26 to 30 year. Add option 31 to 35 year, from 36 to 40 year. Okay, complete my age multiple choice. Dear viewers, completed my Google form. Now, how to get response list of the form? Click response, click option, select response destination. Create a new spreadsheet. The response list will be created as like Microsoft Excel on your Google Drive. Click create. Click question. Now I can preview of my Google form. Click preview. This is my Google form. Now copy to URL link. Okay, I am copying URL link. Now you can send this URL link in your social media group or send to your friend circle group for fill up this form. Dear viewers, now you can check your response list on your Google Drive. Click Google Drive. You can see this is the response list like Excel sheet. I am double clicking on the file. Open the response list. First question answer, name, blood group, address, mobile number, occupation, age. If anyone filled up the form, his information included the sheet. Serially included in the sheet. Now I am going to fill up of the form by other browser. So let's see it. Click browser and paste of the URL. This is my form. Now I will fill up of the form. Name, example name, Sajjad Tech 360. Blood group, O positive. Address, Dhaka. Mobile number 01. Occupation, service. Age from 26 to 30 year. Okay, now I will submit of the form. Submit. Your response has been recorded. Okay, now you can check response list in your Google Drive. So let's go. Click the response list. Dear viewers, see submission information will be included in the list. Name, blood group, address, mobile number, service, age. The number of people who will fill up the Google form, their information will be included in the sheet. Dear viewers, if you like this tutorial, press like button, comment and sharing. To get more technology related tutorial video, subscribe my channel. Thanks to everybody, thanks to all.